Odofo, mamema wakwaba, emfa umbra, GCN page so, meeting Ede Adjoa searching. Mesro, subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube ya notification. And some ya koso wo memu bia ube nye bia tie. Anase ube nye bia share. Ewo GCN page ha. Nipa ya oka se eye Chris Vincent Japan. Ono ena oye penimpa eda site a wofreno GhanaCelebrities.com. Na Chris na okasi na nisema okay na say he thinks say eye oman penida da John Dramani Mahama. Why eye his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo edru. Why na edru na sisi Nana Addo aye confused. Nana Addo nim de oye ewo manyimu. Kamia kwa say amembu na Nana Addo ubu no. Anase Nana Addo na ye nimi no. Enye sa Nana Addo e na ye hu no manga na emu nde because akwa say bibia ye basa wo manyimu. Just a man focus as an Nana say uhu wani shana uhu left and right. Vixen say Nana Addo na ye nimi no. Na oye incompetent. Just a Ghana free na wojidi woni mu yakai 2016 abra his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne campaign 1D 1F mayor free SHS the fight against galamsey yetisika so comedy and someone Nana Addo kind ma Ghana for ye nya jidi woni mu papa to abade ma no Nana Addo buy can no ya dia na kamia kwa say ni second time made Ghana for so mu hu so Ghana for na so omo akasa omo hu so omo akasa and a light ebubu no pre na so Ghana for say edum so asanso aba NPP for say edum so Ghana for say edum so yes edum so because o man penida da John Dramani Mahama brought ase no light na ebu nani eso ye friend dum so enti se we so ebu nani na eso ye say ye friend dum so because dum so bia eye dum so Ghana for kasa na de ade a Nana Addo be president or Shebo say he is coming to fight against galamsey ese yen sase yen koko yen dobai ene ne ma pi wasase Ghana ha nti Nana Addo so wa be fight against Nana Addo ba ya galamsey no kwaisi aginsem kwaisi yen hwu ne se ade a ehun sem abe pi wo Ghana ha no na ni nyina ena Chris Vincent Japan ka bom no ohwa onti ase ena ochese Nana Addo that renew no enya sa Nana Addo ena ye ne no Ghana he ana so ye president na yenti ensema Chris Vincent Japan etro ede eto on Facebook page. She say, I think John Mahama has done Nana Addo juju to make him confused and incompetent. This is not the Nana Addo we knew and expected. Ana inti Chris Vincent Japan oye penimpa eda GhanaCelebrities.com HSN. He thinks man penida da John Dramani Mahama aye Nana Addo edru. Inti say why you confused on the onye. Why you incompetent no. Ana this is not the Nana Addo that we expected. Ana say Nana Addo na ye nimi no. Ana obwa. Inti ensem way na Chris atro e dey at on Facebook page.
Bi okay, ye beye bibi e dey abo man no. There be and this dey say ye petumi ye pese hu say ye ne yete so. What the mom so a o de to me no mom so a ye ntumi hwe so na ye koyi Sami Gyamfi. I will confess here me na minim Sami Gyamfi, to be honest with you, and some koye sa election no the only communicators of NDC and minim was Ameto Kwame, Fred Agbenyo, Kujedu Asare, sometimes Sa Papa will refer to Sam George. Like it was some people and then name say omoye communicators. To be honest, I didn't know anything about Sami Gyamfi. But this was why I was happy about the appointment of Sami Gyamfi. I was happy about Sami Gyamfi because me who say, hey, young boy and I yet to me a man of big positions, then this is the time for we the youth. Because or call her akoti nim. Or be ye ade any different if you see don't get animal propaganda this way or the year party no where a new guy matekura so say or sign ye lawyer into no or be bring a new fresh air into the whole front row of NDC. Akwa be the first press conference a bomb. The first press conference Sami Gyamfi be ye he lost his credibility. Yes, we ni mu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Wunimu a wubisa na ya kyerɛ wo. Oh, ena Nana Addo. Oni Ghana but one can't kyerɛ parliament. Akokwa chokrodo because that time no person relevant ye ni foforo. Enti onko raise issue. Na party for no say Same comrade. Na Same uko gina ho etwa antro. Ko gina ho ko twa antro. Say Akufo-Addo ankra. And a wow how na eduru su gina parliament ka kire wo say we your trofo because papa ne kon ne letter ni e kind the parliament. Eno anso ho a. And I was starting say who di chairman general tem di no ho kokonsa eye kwa mesifa kai. Was starting say who di na tem na was starting say wo boys ne ko ho no mo kokasa mo mpene ma no kura na mo kofa asa stupid erikeje no buni ni erikeje jimi ni boy bi no na ni say yi apotroka wono mo kofa ono say anytime bi obeba chairman general ho bia no onye gidigidi on chedanye say ni say no yes fe na wo same demfi. You pivoted your own communicators against chairman general. Aye kwa mesifa kai. Kodi intro na papa no kochi one time no say asemo a wakoka afa me ho no enye no krenti Same kotwe san. And now we are hunkokoti chairman general but we cannot use this platform. What bodam, that is his platform. That Kokroko show belongs to Kwame Sefakai. So what he choose to do on that platform is what he choose to do. And yes idea ya be boycott. Na NDC for papa mpanifu amote ho. Mope mo party ni ya. Mope JM ya. Munim how big Peace FM is and how far Peace FM travels. Matiasia ma small boy we say ma communicate bi anko Kokroko so. Na mpa ma anko ton mu dreams. Ma anko ton mu candidate Kokroko so. The prestigious morning show. I don't care what somebody is doing on their own. But Kokroko, Kokroko, everybody was listening to that. Moko swaswa baller bets, bedi ho, na mo de kan mo to adie left and right center, e de chairman general. Ene pamo mo. Same Jemfi wan fair no end too ho for as a young boy. As a young guy who one day wants to become somebody in this country, you did not look at your first 2 missteps now. Why you need to reassess? If you understand this, I will to twegum. To my name, yeah, president saying a nepotism and a nepotism. First, look of 54 names nearby. Yeah, the names nearby. I feel the names 54 no. I got 24. I feel 24 no. See a woman cries. Yeah, sense same pono. So I na busi any cry or then I go school down there and you no. Udi men crop for Mahama cool school. I know many na chief executives and Mahama mumu didi. Tina Ghana Bokano. Or no nebusia for no. One former question Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Way, no way to make you or the almost share baby, ya mom driver, mom car, mom fuel, mom be chief executives for. Chief executives for. And I'm a hammer bushing for. Okay, come on, moko share. Intimate me jina na man may young say, and now who name what is happening. Hey, Mamma Chero Bibi. Say, would you concern a Buddha if you feel our now? A B and I got to NDC for you. Same Jemfi call so ye yam penny for. Me say sometimes me say same way another be America. Say uwo. Hello, Brian, I come patch me babe froze here. Say what to ho? Uwe bruchiri. Na say what is say Same Jemfi. Kasa wo radio so a. Hwe me ka me kire wo. Say unyo bi a we smart. Obedwo say entokwa si Ghana na say na Akufo-Addo asai Ghana. Ne kura yesi asai no. Na Akufo-Addo a